Hi, I'm April with WTI. Do you have aches and pains? Who doesn't, right? I am in love with how well this heating pad heats up. For me, that is so important. I need really intense moist heat to help with my aches, and this heating pad from TOPSOSO really delivers. The quality is amazing. Just look at the stitching. It has a very super soft, velvety, comfortable material with a super soft cushion to it that really conforms to you. The material is so easy to clean. You can wipe with just a rag, or it is machine washable if you need to. Simply detach the cord and toss it in. I really enjoy this extra long cord so I can move freely, whether I'm sitting or laying down. Since this heating pad is extra large, it can cover my whole back, or I can wrap it around me to relieve sore muscles, menstrual pains, even inflammation, all at the same time. I especially appreciate the 10 temperature gears and 3 time gears for auto shut off for all of my needs. This is it. This is the last heating pad I will ever own, and I'll definitely be getting more for myself and as a gift for loved ones. And that's my point of view.